All right, so this is a 2011 BMW 328i E90, and we installed Trueheart coilovers about a year ago, and it's had a few major issues over that last year. The first one is the rear bottom shock mount broke in half on the passenger side, and this time around, same thing, but on the driver's side. Not to mention, when we did the inspection, we noticed the shock was completely blown out. So we decided it would be best to upgrade at this point because the time spent to get the parts warranted and the time spent replacing the broken parts is just not worth it. Okay, so he decided to go with the BC Racing BR Series coilovers. Now, as far as price is concerned, the Trueheart retail for about $650 and the BC Racings are about $1,200, so almost double the price. But you know how the saying goes, you get what you pay for. When it comes to coilovers, quality is the most important factor when it comes to performance. BC Coilovers have established a reputation in their meticulous attention to manufacturing standards with high quality materials and innovative engineering techniques. Now, this commitment to quality runs throughout the full line of BC products. Now, there are several different series of BC coilovers ranging from the BR to the ZR, and on this car we'll be looking at the BR series. Okay, so let's take a look at these more closely. The BR series represents BC Racing's baseline coilover option. It offers adjustable dampening and, of course, ride height adjustment. These coilovers allow for some degree of customization, and this series is suitable for enthusiasts seeking improved handling and more aggressive stance without diving too deep into intricate adjustments. So let's see what comes in the box. Okay, let's start from the rear and work our way back. So this is your rear shock here, and you have your adjustment for ride height. And then on here you have the dampening, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use these dampening extensions. These go on the top here, and then this can run through the rear deck, so you're able to adjust the dampening from there. You also have your rear coil and the adjustment for the rear coil here. As far as the front is concerned, you get a full strut assembly with mounting plates, and as you can see, you have your dampening on the top, and then you also have a camber adjustment as well. Okay, this is your preload, and if you wanted to adjust the height, loosen this and spin this down. If you want it taller or if you want it lower, you would just spin this higher. Now, you also can adjust the preload if you want, but that definitely will affect the ride. And of course, you get your spanner keys and adjustable sway bar end links. And you can't forget your stickers to let everybody know what you're running. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the installation on this, and then we'll show you how it comes out. So we've had some time with this, and the owner of the vehicle said the ride quality versus the Truehearts is a day and night difference. He said it rides much smoother, and he no longer has the coil pop when he turns the wheel that cheaper coilovers are notorious for. Now, he regrets having to pay for 2 sets of coilovers, and there's another saying that rings true in this situation, which is buy once, cry once. If you're interested in these coilovers for your 3 Series BMW, we'll leave a link in the description below. Now, there's lots of brands out there that are decent, like TN, Megan, and AFE. Let us know your favorite brand in the comment section below. That'll do it. And if you're all about things that are automotive aftermarket, make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.